The AH-64 Apache is more than just an attack helicopter. It's the perfect example of what such a helicopter should be. For nearly 40 years, it's been active in many wars, earning a tough reputation in battle. It is packed with technology and firepower like no other, setting a standard that is hard to match. Despite the challenges of modern warfare and the growing threat from ground-based air defense systems, the Apache still stands out as the most fearsome attack helicopter around. It adapts to changing and evolving modern battlefields, with its last version being able to control UAVs. The AH-64 Apache is truly a warrior worthy of its name.